And take a deep breath in, inhale and exhale. There you go. 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 From Bone to Breath and Gesture is an immersive and experiential course that explores the interior and exterior sensations of the actor's body, the parts very seldom seen. This course is about giving learners an opportunity to explore a greater awareness of their body, including the bones, the muscles, the organs, and all the structures connected to the senses. We want to give learners efficient access to feelings and sensations from deep within, which in turn creates a much more natural performance.
We've done so many different exercises. It hasn't been one-dimensional. It's been breath, it's been voice, it's been acting, it's been physical. That's one of the things I've enjoyed the most.
Basically, it's unique. His approach is different. It's not like other tutors. It's more free.
It gets you out of your head, and I think by being so active, it brings everything to life a bit more.